Hiya, I got something for you. I just received my brand deal and it made me think of love language in the way I didn't expect. Let's open it. Love the packaging. Okay, this one is Ambery Cherry. Let's put in autofocus. Ambery Cherry. It's actually really nice. Okay, this is the first one. I want to spray it. That's the next one. Fruity Almond. Each card tells you about the product. It tells you notes that you need to know about the product, basically the ingredients in there. As a thank you, our mission is to deliver the quality luxury inspired fragrances at a fair price, giving you the freedom to explore new secrets. Thank you for giving us a try. Okay, we're gonna try it soon. Let me put this on autofocus so you can see this one. It's got like a clear bottle. I actually like the packaging. It's really beautiful. And then the final one. Let's do this one. If you can see it clearly, this one is Moody Sage. Hopefully we'll get to bring it closer for you guys. Moody. Nice. That smells so lovely. Fragrance is one of the most personal ways to express connection, not just romantically, but friendship, in celebration, and even self-love. Feel that scents like this ones, especially the fruity almond and the wooden sage. I also like the ambery cherry. It's very beautiful. I feel like scents like this directly connects us to memory and emotion, and it sets the mood for whatever mood you're in. It becomes part of how someone remembers you. And one of the things I know my kids share with me a lot is 05 is the scent of their dad, and it's basically the perfume he used to wear. So I just love Dossier perfumes. I love that Dossier perfumes, thank you for my original fragrances, accessible to all. And so whether it's a date night or a birthday or Mother's Day that's coming up, or you just want to give someone something for being who they are, dinner, or just girls' night out, you want to just gift a friend, or choosing yourself, it doesn't have to feel overwhelming. So head over now, right now, to choose the right one for you from Dossier perfumes. The right fragrances doesn't need an occasion. You need to create one. Find the scent that fits your moment and shop Dossier today.